Hi there, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use HyperDocs for this course. So this is an example of one of the HyperDocs we will use. You can see that the topic is online and mobile banking. There are different sections to the HyperDoc and they go in order. So the first section will always be a discussion prompt, and this just gets you thinking about maybe what you already know about the topic or the lesson for the day. The second resource for this specific one are 3 YouTube videos that connect you to commercials. So you will click the hyperlink and you should be able to, is listed here. So you'll watch the videos and then you will answer the question over here. So you guys will be directly typing into the HyperDoc. This will automatically save all of your work, so you don't have to worry about losing anything. I do ask for you to answer them in full sentences. So the common themes I saw were, okay. The next section, you will see that it does not have a hyperlink to access the pie chart and to answer the question. So anytime you see a section that doesn't have a hyperlink and it says on Google Classroom, you have to go back to your Google Classroom where you accessed this Google or this HyperDoc anyway, and you will see that there are 2 attachments here. So this will be the one that you will need for this specific assignment. You'll look at the data here, answer the questions, and you can close out of it and go straight back to your student activity packet. It's very important that you start off with the student activity packet because it does go in order. From there, we have another video, an article about P2P or person-to-person payment apps, lots of different resources available here. You can see that one of these is an infographic instead of watching videos all the time. Lastly is the exit ticket. Sometimes this might be hyperlinked to a Google form. For the most part, I just like to check them on here. So again, you're just typing directly into the HyperDoc and working through the lesson here. So again, when you're finished, you can close out of it. You'll be in your Google Classroom and you can turn in directly there.